show you how to do a slip 2 with yarn in front when it is followed by a knit or a purl stitch. It is a textured stitch as it will form a loop across the front of those 2 slipped stitches. So let me show you. We're going to knit as the pattern calls for. Then it's going to say slip 2 with yarn in front. Because we knitted the last stitch, our yarn is at the back at the moment. So we bring the yarn forward, we slip 2 stitches purlwise, and that's actually the end of your slip 2 with yarn in front stitch. Then if the pattern says knit the following stitch, you've got to take the yarn across to the back. You'll see it forms a loop across those 2 slip stitches. Be sure not to pull it too tight because you want a nice relaxed tension across those 2 stitches. And then you proceed to knit the following stitch. So let me show you that once more. It's at the back at the moment. We need to bring it forward. We slip 2 stitches purlwise. With a nice relaxed tension, we take it to the back and we knit the stitches indicated in the pattern. If the pattern says slip 2 with yarn in front and then it's followed by a purl stitch, you're going to bring your yarn forward, you're going to slip the 2 stitches purlwise, and now it says purl the following stitch. Your yarn is already in the forward position where you need it to be if you're going to purl, so then you merely proceed to purl the following stitch. Be careful not to pull this too tight. Keep it nice and relaxed and purl the following stitch. And you'll see it actually formed a loop across those 2 slipped stitches. So let me show you again. If you've knitted 1 stitch, then the pattern says slip 2 with yarn in front, followed by a purl stitch. Bring the yarn forward. We slip the 2 stitches purlwise, and then we're going to purl the following stitch. Yarn is in the correct position, and you purl the following stitch. And you'll see it formed a loop across your work. If you've purled the last stitch, and it says slip 2 with yarn in front, your yarn is already in the front, so we don't need to bring it forward. Then you just slip 2 stitches purlwise, and you proceed to purl the following stitch. Nice loose tension, and there is your work. So it's a purl, slip 2 purlwise with yarn in front, followed by another purl. Finish. And that is how you do a slip 2 with yarn in front, followed by either a knit or a purl stitch.